Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings, so you change the system-wide font size. This is the only reliable way. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings, then make sure you are on the primary monitor. Once there, look for Scale and Layout or a Change Text Size control. You will use that control to increase fonts across apps and system UI, not just one program. Make small increases first so you can read and still fit content on screen. Now adjust the scale or text size precisely. Choose a preset like 125% or 150% to enlarge everything, or use the text size slider to affect only fonts. You do this because scaling changes combined UI elements and ensures apps render larger text. The separate text slider only impacts font rendering. Once you choose a value, make sure to apply it. If the system requests you to sign out or restart, do that so all programs pick up the new size correctly and remain readable. Finish by checking Common Apps, the browser, and File Explorer to confirm fonts are larger and layout remains usable. If a specific program looks odd, change its zoom or font settings rather than the system scale. Make sure display drivers are current because outdated drivers can cause blurry text after scaling. If things go wrong, revert to the previous scale, try a different increment, then update the graphics driver. That sequence resolves most display scaling issues quickly for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.